Have you ever had to make a choice and just didn't know what to do? Your heart says one thing, your brain says another, and your feet just freeze. This is the story of a girl named Zara, of magical forests and talking trolls, of kindness, courage, and smart thinking, and how she learned the secret steps to making wise decisions. Zara lived in a quiet little village at the edge of a whispering forest. She was curious. She asked a lot of questions, but when it came to choosing something important, Zara always hesitated. At the candy shop? Too many flavors. During games? Someone else pick. She was afraid of making the wrong choice, so she often made no choice at all. One morning, chasing her paper plane into the trees, Zara stepped into a glowing circle of light, and just like that, the world around her changed. Leaves sparkled, trees shifted, and a wise little owl appeared in midair. "Welcome, Zara," he said. "You've entered the forest of choices. Every path you take will teach you how to make better decisions." Zara blinked. In front of her stood two tunnels. One sparkled with butterflies and soft music. The other was dark, with rumbling sounds and flickering lights. A scroll floated in front of her. Step 1. Look at your options carefully. Zara whispered, "Okay, option A, sparkly and calm. Option B, scary and loud." Step 2. Think about what might happen next. If I go into the dark tunnel, I might get scared. But the sparkly one looks safe, Zara thought, then nodded. She picked the sparkly tunnel. Ding! A sign appeared in the air. "Well done. You thought before you chose. +1, smart point." A little further ahead, Zara saw a lost puppy near a tree, shivering. But just then, she spotted a shortcut to the castle. It looked quick, easy, straight. Another scroll appeared. Step 3, think with your heart, not just your head. Zara paused. "If I help the puppy, I'll be late. But if I leave it, that doesn't feel right." She gently picked up the puppy. Poof! It turned into a tiny fairy. "Because you used your heart to decide," she smiled. "You've unlocked the power of kind choices." +2 heart points. Later, Zara came to a wooden bridge, with a wobbly troll bouncing on it like jelly. "Trade me your magic boots for this shiny rock," he said. Zara loved shiny things, but her boots helped her jump and climb. Another scroll popped up. Step 4, think long-term. What will help you later? She closed her eyes. "Shiny rock now, or magic boots for the rest of the forest?" Zara smiled. "No trade today, Trollo." Ding! Future thinking +3 points. Finally, Zara reached the golden gates. A golden leaf floated down with one final question. What makes a good decision? She took a deep breath and whispered, "A good decision means I stop. Look at all my options, think with my brain and my heart, and choose what feels truly right." The forest glowed, the trees clapped, a glowing crown of stars appeared above her head. She had become a decision hero. Back in her village, Zara was still curious, still kind, still thoughtful, but now, she didn't freeze when a choice came. She'd whisper to herself, "Step 1, what are my choices? Step 2, what could happen next? Step 3, what feels kind? Step 4, what will help later? Now, I choose." And every time she followed the steps, she grew stronger, wiser, and more confident. Let's remember the 4 steps Zara learned. Step 1, look at your choices. Step 2, think ahead. Step 3, feel your heart. Step 4, think long-term. This is how Zara became a decision hero, and how you can too. Do you get stuck sometimes, not knowing what to pick? It's okay. Just pause, ask the questions, and trust yourself, because wise choices come from quiet thinking, and you're smarter than you think. One choice at a time, one thought at a time. If this story helped you feel a little braver, share it with someone who needs it. Let's help every child grow into a decision hero with kindness, courage, and confidence. And if you want more magical stories that help you grow, like, subscribe, and join the adventure, one story at a time. You got this!